My name is Alex Ripko with Royal LePage Benchmark. We are in the desirable Eau Claire neighborhood, close to restaurants, shops, walking paths, and just steps to downtown. We are viewing my listing in the prestigious Caille Parke Place building, where you have full concrete construction, high-end windows and doors, and outstanding concierge service. This is a one-bedroom plus den, 813 square foot condominium on the 8th floor with outstanding downtown views. Let's go check it out. Enjoy this amazing lifestyle opportunity living in the heart of Eau Claire. Call me if you have any questions about making this condo your next home.